joint cracking video. Many people think cracking joints is bad. It's not, it's just air bubbles in your joints. So I'm going to show you how I crack all of my joints, and do this at your own risk. I can crack the top of my fingers like you can see, like that. Just relax the joint you're trying to crack and put a little pressure, but never force it, never force it. See? You don't have to force it. But if you don't relax the joint, it won't crack. Ooh. Another way I crack my fingers is I sometimes go like that. Gotta still remind myself to relax my fingers some. There. There goes a pinky. Now the neck, there's a bunch of ways to do it. I kind of prefer to go like, oh, there. But never force your neck to crack. If your neck doesn't crack, oh well, too bad. Now my back, I'm gonna say the same thing. If your back doesn't crack, never force it. Some people can, some people can't. And when you're cracking any joint, never push it out of its comfort zone. You see how I cracked my neck like that? I relaxed a little, but I never forced it. So be very careful. It's not really gonna do you harm. And ready? Just with the back, just gently, like that. Never push yourself out of your comfort zone though. If you're not able to crack your joint because if you're trying to crack your joint and it starts to feel like you're pushing it into an uncomfortable position, stop. It's not meant to be cracked at this moment. So with the elbow, it's more difficult. You see if I can do it. There. You gotta tense up and go like that, but as with any joint, never force it beyond its capabilities. That's bad. Even the chiropractors say no to that. With my toes, with my shoulders, once again, never force it beyond its capability. There. There we go.